Laser cutters slice through metal, wood, and even glass with precision that seems almost magical. But what powers this incredible technology? The answer lies in the fascinating science of light, energy, and engineering. Let us dive into the world of laser cutters and uncover the secrets behind their glowing brilliance. Welcome to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects reveal their extraordinary stories. Today, the focus is on laser cutters, a tool that has revolutionized industries, art, and even hobbyist workshops. From crafting intricate jewelry to building spacecraft components, laser cutters are everywhere. This video explores the science that makes them tick, their history, their evolution, and some mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed. Stick around to discover why laser cutters are one of the coolest inventions of our time. The story of laser cutters begins with the invention of the laser itself. In 1960, physicist Theodore Maiman created the first working laser at Hughes Research Laboratories. The term laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Lasers produce a highly focused beam of light where all the waves are synchronized, creating intense energy in a narrow path. This discovery was groundbreaking because it allowed scientists to harness light in ways never before possible. Early lasers were more of a scientific curiosity than a practical tool. They were bulky, expensive, and required precise conditions to operate. However, researchers quickly saw their potential. By the late 1960s, engineers began experimenting with lasers for cutting materials. The first laser cutters were developed for industrial use, primarily to slice through metals and other tough materials with unmatched accuracy. Unlike traditional tools, lasers did not rely on physical blades, which meant no wear and tear and incredible precision. The science behind this is simple yet profound. A laser cutter uses a high-powered laser beam directed through mirrors or fiber optics to focus energy onto a tiny spot. This energy heats the material to the point of vaporization or melting, creating a clean cut. The process is controlled by computer numerical control systems, or CNC, which guide the laser with pinpoint accuracy. This combination of physics and computing laid the foundation for modern laser cutting. Laser cutters have come a long way since their early days. In the 1970s and 1980s, they were primarily used in heavy industries like aerospace and automotive manufacturing. These machines were massive, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars and required skilled operators. However, advancements in laser technology and computing made them more accessible. One major innovation was the development of CO2 lasers, which became the backbone of many modern laser cutters. CO2 lasers use a gas mixture to generate a powerful infrared beam, ideal for cutting non-metallic materials like wood, acrylic, and fabric. For metals, fiber lasers emerged as a game changer. These use optical fibers doped with rare earth elements to produce a beam that is more efficient and precise than CO2 lasers. Fiber lasers can cut through thick steel like butter, making them a favorite in industrial settings. Another leap forward was the integration of software. Modern laser cutters are paired with design software like Adobe Illustrator or CAD programs, allowing users to create intricate patterns with ease. Hobbyists and small businesses can now afford desktop laser cutters, some costing as little as a few $100s. These machines are compact, user-friendly, and capable of producing professional quality results. The science of laser cutting continues to evolve. Researchers are exploring ultra-fast lasers that operate in femtoseconds, 1/4 of a second, to cut materials with even greater precision. These advancements could lead to applications in microelectronics, medical devices, and beyond. Laser cutters have left a mark far beyond factories. They have become a staple in the maker movement, a global community of DIY enthusiasts who blend technology with creativity. Makerspaces and fab labs around the world are equipped with laser cutters, enabling people to turn their ideas into reality. From custom phone cases to architectural models, laser cutters empower creators to experiment without limits. In the art world, laser cutters have opened new possibilities. Artists use them to create intricate sculptures, detailed engravings, and even interactive installations. The precision of laser cutting allows for designs that would be impossible with traditional tools. Fashion designers have also embraced the technology, using laser cutters to create delicate patterns in leather and fabric. Education has been transformed as well. Schools and universities incorporate laser cutters into STEM programs, teaching students about design, engineering, and physics. The accessibility of laser cutters has democratized innovation, making it possible for anyone with a vision to bring it to life. Here are some fascinating tidbits about laser cutters that might surprise you. Did you know that laser cutters can cut through food? Chefs use them to create intricate designs in pastries and chocolates, adding a high-tech flair to culinary arts. Another surprising fact is that laser cutters are used in the production of solar panels. Their precision ensures that delicate photovoltaic cells are cut without damage, improving the efficiency of renewable energy systems. Ever wonder how laser cutters avoid setting materials on fire? Many machines use a stream of gas, like nitrogen or compressed air, to blow away molten material and cool the cutting area. This prevents burns and ensures a clean edge. Finally, the smallest laser cutters are so precise they can engrave text smaller than the width of a human hair. This level of detail is why laser cutters are used in everything from microchips to personalized jewelry. Laser cutters are a testament to human ingenuity, blending the science of light with the art of creation. From their origins in a 1960s lab to their role in today's maker culture, they have transformed how we design, build, and innovate. The physics of lasers, combined with advancements in computing and material science, has made laser cutting one of the most versatile technologies of our time. Whether you are an engineer, an artist, or a hobbyist, laser cutters offer endless possibilities to shape the world around you. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of laser cutters, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves tech or crafting. Subscribe to Objectified and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Have a favorite laser cut creation or a question about the tech? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Objectified, where the objects we use every day tell stories of science, history, and creativity. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you. See you in the next video.